how to transfer salary to employee accounts in Bank Dhofar. So if you want to transfer salary to employee accounts in Bank Dhofar, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Now, to transfer salaries to employees via Bank of Dhofar, employers typically use the wage protection system, which is WPS, via corporate internet banking. So you just need simply go with the corporate internet banking section and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with corporate and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now you need to prepare the salary file. So here are the salary processing steps. You just need to simply go with uploads, which will be in the top of your screen. And from the uploads, you need to go and select wage protection system. Go with WPS. After that, enter the correct details from the drop down and select correct salary type from the drop down according to the purpose and date of payment, which is like a monthly salary or advanced salary payment or late salary. You will have all of that reasons. You can just simply go and select that and then go with continue. After that, it will take you to the second step, which is preview and confirm. And here you need to review the details and complete the transaction with a successful authentication. You need to enter your password and then you will receive a one-time password, which is an OTP. Enter the OTP and then go with submit. And in this way, you'll be able to transfer salary to employees' account in Bank Dhofar. If you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.